Here's another one of the Xuyiyue piano tuning kits. This kit is a good option, especially if you want a few of the extra accessories that come with it. This kit includes one basic quality tuning lever that is bare bones and extraordinarily inexpensive. You get one wooden key pin polisher, 2 to 4 rubber mutes, 2 felt mutes, this tuning fork, which doesn't even work. That's to say that this tuning fork doesn't hold standard pitch at 440. You get one temperament strip, and lastly, you get one Pabst mute. And this is a mute that can go in between different strings and isolate the strings that you wish very precisely. While this tuning lever is inexpensive, it's actually quite weighty, and that's not actually a good thing. It has a significant amount of mass towards the top of the hammer, and it will fatigue you over time when you use it just because it's such a heavy lever to use. The tuning lever isn't balanced at all. In fact, the weight is sort of lopsided, so you feel very lightweight over here, and most of the mass is up here towards the top. This piano hammer is not as good as the other carbon fiber Xuyiyue piano tuning lever, mostly because of how heavy this is, and therefore it takes more energy and time to tune a full piano. In general, one of the most important attributes to a good piano tuning lever is that it's rigid and not flexible. The more flexible a tuning lever is, the more energy is wasted working on getting the tuning pin in the correct position. Both Xuyiyue levers are relatively rigid, though the carbon fiber Xuyiyue, as opposed to the wooden tuning hammer, is much more rigid than this one. The bottom line is that this Xuyiyue lever isn't lightweight, so I would choose against this lever and opt towards a lightweight tuning hammer. Funny enough, depending on the temperature of this tuning fork, whether you've kept it in your pocket or just on your desk, it will emit a pitch between A442 and A444, which is much sharper in pitch than the standard A440 that we all tune our band and orchestra instruments to. So the pros of this kit is that it's a nice little kit to have or give to somebody else, but the reality is that these are all inexpensive products, and it just really looks nice, but isn't really a quality bundle. As a matter of fact, this is one of the least expensive, most extensive, and most popular tuning kits purchased on Amazon. While it has its pitfalls with this tuning fork that you really shouldn't be using, this tuning hammer that's far too heavy, it has a good balance of mutes that you could use when tuning the piano, and also it comes in this really nice kit so that you can give it to someone who likes tuning pianos.